In the previous episode, we looked at something called Apex extensions, and in this episode, we'll try to understand something called list controllers. So let us get started. And by now, we have the basic understanding that whenever we want to associate this Visualforce page with a single account record or lead record or contact record, then the way I work with this is I'll make use of one attribute called standard controller, and I'm going to associate this Apex page with the object by giving the name of the object here. In case it is account, this becomes account. And if I want to associate this Visualforce page with leads object, then this becomes lead. And same is the case with contact. This is something that we have already seen. Let me associate this with account for time being. And if I were to pull the fields of a particular record on this Visualforce page, then this becomes account dot name of the field, which is name. And if I were to pull rating field, then this becomes rating. Likewise, if I want to pull some other field, then this becomes something like this. And what if I want to associate this Visualforce page with maybe list of records? That is when the concept of list controllers comes into picture. Let me clean this up before we move ahead. Let me give this a save. And along with standard controllers, I'm going to use one more attribute, which is record set var, which is this. And to this attribute, I got to define a variable name. And this variable is going to hold a list of all the account records in this case. So this becomes something like this. Post which I'm going to use Apex form tag,